how to create a PDF document from multiple pictures on the iPhone 15 series. Now first swipe up to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the Photos app. In here, go to your library and tap on the select button. Now select the photos that you want to create the PDF document. So here I have selected, say, 8 pictures, and then you tap on the share button here. In here we scroll down and then tap on print. Next, at the top, tap on the share button at the top, the one with the arrow pointing up. Tap on that, and then here's a creating PDF. And then we go down and choose Save to Files. In here, select the folder where you want to save it. So you can choose the download folder or another folder. So here if I choose on my iPhone, and then go to Downloads, and then IT Jungle's Download. In here I will tap on Save. So tap on Saved. And now if I go to Files, in my Files Manager, in here I'll go to, on my iPhone, Downloads, IT Jungle's Download, and the file will be saved in here. You can see it shows 1043 photo. So open it, and that is where the files have been saved to. And that is one way how you can create a PDF document from multiple pictures in the Photos app. Now another way to do it is to open up files. If you have pictures in your Files app, in your File Manager, so in here in Downloads, and if I go to pictures in here in this folder, I have several pictures. I can select them, so tap on the More button at the top, then tap on Select. In here I can select the pictures that I want to include in the PDF document. Then tap on the More button, then tap on Create PDF. And that will automatically create a PDF document in here. Now you can see this file. This is the new document that has been created. If I tap on Get Info, it will show this is a PDF document, and it has just been generated today, just now. And I can tap on the Open button to open up the file. And here is the file. I can tap on that to view the file. So I can open and then scroll up and down to view the PDF document. And here it is. And here on the left hand side bar, we can browse for the different pages. And that's it. So that is how you can, another way how you can generate a PDF document from multiple pictures. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now in the Photos app, you can also move the files, move the pictures to files. So what you want to do is select some of the pictures. So select some pictures, and then tap on the Share button. After that, tap on Save to Files, and then choose where you want to save. So here I will choose the Pictures folder, then tap on Saved. And that will save pictures from the Photos app into the Files app. So here in Pictures, you can see all the selected pictures has been copied to the Files app. And that's it. Thank you.